Okay, so you've finished making your car in Inventor. You made the wheels, you assembled it in Inventor, everything's colored, and it looks like how you want it to look. And we made sure that the car actually looks like the wheels touch the ground. So you're ready to blueprint so that you can go in the shop and build. So we're opening a standard DWG, and then we need to make sure we go through the setup. We've got to delete this part right here because we just don't need that in there. That goes away. We need to make sure we're using the right size of sheet. And so the sheet size we're going to need for this is a custom size. And it's the longer paper. It's the 8.5 by 14. So 8.5 by 14 inches. And then we have that drawn there. The next step is we need to make sure that we're blueprinting just the car itself and not the wheels for this part, because we're dealing with just the block of wood that the car is made from. So I'm going to base view, and I'm going to find my file inside here, and I want to make sure I go to where my correct file is. And let's see, there we go. And it's my cut car. It doesn't have the wheels on it. Click open. I want to make sure I'm working at a 1-to-1 ratio right here. I want it full size. Switch to 1/4. I need that to be 1-to-1. So it's a full size vehicle. Right, and I'm going to put the side view, because I'm cutting the side of the car. And then I also, if I go down from the side view, it's going to make the top view right there. And then I'm going to say, okay. And now I have a blueprint of the side view and the top view that I can see. I don't need to put in any dimensions or anything like that. It's all set. Now I'm ready to print. So I'm going to File, Print. That wasn't print. And I want to make sure I'm using the right printer. Right. So we're in this one, 514. That's our classroom, 514. I want to make sure the printer knows that I'm using the right size of paper, so I click Properties. And the type of paper we're using is legal size paper. So I now have legal size paper, and then I click OK, and then I click OK, and that should print my document. It's easy as that. It's all done.